Today, let's talk about early beta blocker use and clinical outcomes in acute myocardial injury, a retrospective cohort study. Acute myocardial injury is defined by elevated cardiac troponin levels with a rising and or falling pattern and is associated with increased mortality risk compared to patients without myocardial injury. The role of beta blockers in patients with acute myocardial injury remains unclear. Coming to methods, this multicenter, retrospective cohort study used data from the Tianjin Health and Medical Data Platform to assess the impact of early beta blocker use on 1-year all-cause mortality and major adverse cardiovascular events in acute myocardial injury patients, employing a new user and target trial emulation design. Propensity score matching was applied and Cox regression was used to calculate hazard ratios and 95% confidence intervals. Coming to results, after propensity score matching, a total of 25,966 participants were included, 8,667 to the beta blocker group and 17,299 to the non-beta blocker group. A total of 4,113 deaths and 5,795 major adverse cardiovascular events occurred. Compared with non-users, beta blocker was associated with the reduced risk of all-cause mortality and major adverse cardiovascular events. In the subgroup analysis, beta blockers were associated with a significantly reduced risk of mortality in patients without stroke, while no significant association was observed in patients with stroke. In conclusion, early use of beta blockers is associated with the reduced risk of 1-year mortality in patients with acute myocardial injury. To more accurately assess the therapeutic effects, prospective trials are necessary, and these data provide key research directions for future trials.